Good morning. This will be a short, hopefully short, video on building up a drawing from one of these tiny little thumbnail sketches. As you can see, I've done a few couple sketches with Mchanzo from Overwatch, and I'm going to use this one because it's relatively small and it'll be easy to vignette it on this smaller sketchbook. As you can see, my sketchbook's about the size of my hand. All right, so when you are building up a drawing from one of these small sketches, what you want to do is kind of place the drawing in the center of your page and try and hit the farthest points. So what this does is it gives you the area which you will be drawing. Next, you want to start building up some basic shape forms. This is the one I'm using. Start just building your basic shapes, throwing them in. Now, in this, you don't have to go fast. You can start it off slow if you want to build a really nice sustained drawing. For this video, though, and this purpose, I am drawing fast, but you don't need to. Again, if you want to practice fast sketching, this is a great way to do it because you have your little reference point here. Trying to find the forms within the form. They are sharing a morning cup of coffee because I think that is adorable. Okay, so once you have your basic shapes in place, like so, the form's covered, then you start refining details. So like I was doing here with the cup and the hands, placing in some basic points for the anatomy, start throwing in basic details. You start to place your details in, you start refining forms, start just like even basic if you want to do dots, or just like give yourself a couple of guidelines, and then you just start really refining in your details, understanding the shapes. Getting the eye position right. Eye direction is really, really cool, and an awesome way to create a connection between your characters, or if you want your character looking out at the audience, having them staring ahead. As you can see, the eyes are giving me a bit of hell right now on McCree. So from my sketch, you can see McCree's kind of like, looks like he's sniffing Hanzo's hair on the profile. And I did him at a 3/4 view. Which I could go back and change that, but I'm kind of liking the way this is going right now. This eyebrow I don't like. It's a little bit too sinister for a morning cup of coffee. So there's your basic little tutorial of how to take this and turn it to that. Basic shapes, refining forms, basic details, and then tightening up your details. Again, I can go in after I've thrown all this down, and I can ink it, which will probably take 10 minutes. I'm a little bit slower at inking. Oh, very much slower at inking. Oops, did that wrong. Anyway, yeah, so you'll probably see this on my Tumblr account, inked, and I will do a little blurb on there about that. But that's it.